So our dishwasher is already installed. As you can see, really nice. It's a large size. The lower drawer, the upper drawer, and this drawer that we use to put knives and forks and all kind of small things. Okay, as you can see, we just use it. And what's really easy, we just connected the water. This is the water drain that comes from the dishwasher. We use this special connector here. Everything comes from that hole, okay? And this is the electric connector of the dishwasher. So, really easy and a great service from our Samsung dishwasher. Thank you.